I'm involved in a FAC in a commercialization theme, where we are actually making a study in the onion growing villages in central Tanzania to actually draw lessons on the commercialization trajectories that smallholder farmers can go through for a successful smallholder family-based farms to be commercial. Actually, the major objective of the research was to actually answer some really big questions regarding whether African family farms can be commercialized, and whether it can attract some resources, transform them into medium and market-oriented farms. And then we had some really big questions that we wanted to answer, like under what conditions actually African smallholder farms can be commercialized, and what are the drivers of commercialization process at the local level, and whether commercialization will have some impacts on livelihood outcomes such as food security and social differentiation and other aspects. Yeah, we had some really significant findings that actually inform the ongoing debate on commercialization of African smallholder farms. And we have seen that provision of basic public goods such as rural infrastructure, such as rural roads, irrigation facilities, will actually create the base for more productive systems which can actually sustain the supply chains, which is necessary in the commercialization. There are some opportunities in future where actually some smallholder farms can commercialize within existing structures and functionalities without much pressure on the natural resource base, and with some minimum support from the public and private sector, which can actually go into providing some public goods like irrigation, rural roads. And then we see the future of smallholder farms regarding commercialization supposed to be bright and possible. Yeah, what I can actually tell, Africa is diverse and its systems are also diverse. Then what works in one part of Africa, there's no guarantee that it will work on another part of Africa. And what works for today is not sure whether it will work for tomorrow. Then understanding some African systems, including the small-scale farms, is actually a process that has to be going on. There must be some really continuous investments in research and development so that we understand these systems and inform our actions.